what time it is?
It's time for the Weekly Update!
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 11th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. This week was National School Counselor Week. We are lucky to have such wonderful counselors. Mr. Andrew Pont will have more about them shortly in this video. Both campuses are selling Valentine's Day wood roses. These gorgeous roses are extremely lifelike, and they will last forever. Elementary students have received forms to pre-order their roses. The elementary students will select their roses on Valentine's Day. We have so many beautiful colors. The secondary campus will sell the roses in the cafeteria on Valentine's Day. Roses are selling for $2 each or 2 for $3. The order forms and money from the spring elementary fundraiser must be returned by February 15th. Students who sold 7 items during the fall fundraiser or during this fundraiser are invited to a yummy chocolate fountain party, and that will be on February 28th. Monday, February 21st is a teacher workday. No school for students. Lake Worth Street Painting Festival is February 26th and February 27th. Please come out and see the beautiful chalk drawings created by PBMA students and teachers. The Spring Elementary Book Fair is Monday, February 28th through Friday, March 4th. Please email me if you are able to volunteer to help out at the book fair. Spring break is March 12th through March 21st. School resumes for students on March 22nd. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, the elementary school principal. I just wanted to remind everybody to please, if you have not already done so, turn in those re-enrollment packets. We have had a great turnout so far and we're gonna start running out of spots soon. So if you have not done this, please do this as soon as possible to make sure our returning students have a seat next year.
Hello PBMA family. As Ms. Cooper mentioned, I'm here to talk about National School Counseling Week. We have 5 amazing counselors between the 2 campuses. We have a guidance counselor and a mental health counselor at the elementary campus, and at the high school we have 2 guidance counselors and 1 mental health counselor. And I can tell you that their job is definitely needed. They're very appreciated, and they are extremely busy. A lot of times their work takes them into the evening. When we're at home enjoying our supper with our family, they're still on campus finalizing paperwork and doing all that kind of stuff to support whatever case that they're working on. So we appreciate them so much. The district usually has breakfast every year. For whatever reason, that was canceled this year, so we gave each one of them a little gift, and I just wanted to put faces with names so that you can see everybody at our elementary campus. We have Christy Dvorak as our school counselor and Teresha Williams as our mental health counselor. And on the middle high campus, we have Sally Dorfield as our mental health counselor, and we have Mara Simmons as the middle school counselor and Monique Tomasetti as the high school counselor. I can't say enough how we appreciate them. Please, when you see them or when you speak to them, let them know that they are appreciated.
We have now opened up registration to students who are new to PBMA. Spots are filling up fast. If you haven't already returned your student's re-enrollment packet, please do so ASAP before all spots are filled. If spots are filled, your application may be put into the lottery. PBMA is now taking applications for new kindergartners. Children need to turn 5 years old on or before September 1st in order to register for kindergarten. We have scheduled our kindergarten roundup, which is an orientation into kindergarten. Roundup will take place on Thursday, April 21st at 6:00 p.m., and that will be at the elementary campus. Nurse Bobby is asking parents to send in donations to the clinic. She needs 3-ounce paper cups, baby wipes, tissues, new children's underwear, and outgrown pants or shorts for bathroom accidents. Thank you. Third grade visited Loxahatchee River Center. Let's hear all about it. Riley, what did you see at Loxahatchee River Center?
I saw an eel, and I also saw an alligator.
Ooh, cool. And what's your name?
Serena.
Serena, what did you see there?
I saw snapperheads turtle.
Snap turtle? Snapping
Snapperhead.
turtle?
Yeah, snapping turtles.
And what did you see, Oliver?
Crabs.
Crabs? I saw some of the pictures, Riley, and I saw like there was a bucket and there was like little things floating in the bucket. What was that?
They were little crabs. We held some.
Really? Oh, did they tell you the name of the kind of crabs?
Well, some of them.
Yeah? Was it interesting to look at?
We also got to name them ourselves. Yeah.
Oh.
Me and her named them.
You named the crabs?
Yeah.
Oliver, what else can you tell us about the trip?
We saw sea urchins.
Sea urchins? Oh, what did they look like?
They had no eyes. They were just a bunch of spikes.
Okay. Oh, okay, great. All right, so it was a fun trip, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you, guys. And finally, here are pictures and videos of Atlantis Skateway Family Night. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.